where I was.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome on board. Please take a moment to turn your attention to your video screen for important safety information on this 767 aircraft.
Well, it's for this show.
So you guys notice it says look at the monitor.
Okay, here we go.
I'm Ed Bastian. At Delta, as each day gets started, so do we. Another chance to be better than we were the day before. To be ready to help you make the most of your day, wherever your travels may take you. So from all 80,000 of us to all of you, thanks for flying Delta.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with Delta.
Thanks for flying with Delta.
All of us at Delta contribute to safety.
It is our first priority.
On every flight.
So before we depart, we'll be giving a brief safety presentation.
Okay. Be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin. And place smaller items under the seat in front of you. And ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are cleared.
If you're sitting at an emergency exit, please review the responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Are you willing and able to assist with the operation of the exit if necessary?
Yes.
If you're unable to perform these functions, please let us know and we'll be happy to find you another seat. As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even when the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air.
For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passenger compliance with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member instructions.
Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying the restroom smoke detector. There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. An additional raft is located in a compartment at the center of the plane.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you. And remember, they might be behind you. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally, and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are located under your seats in the main cabin. If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are either in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front and adjust loosely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest. Or manually inflate it by blowing the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute empty life vests or other flotation devices for children who weigh 35 pounds or less.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, your tray table is put away, and all carry-on items are properly stowed.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Delta Airlines, from our pilots,
Flight attendant,
ramp and cargo agents, to takeoff, operations and customer center,
reservations, SkyGlobe ambassadors, and ticket and gate agents,
we want to thank you for paying attention. Now, as we prepare for takeoff, please relax and enjoy your flight.
6 to Orlando. We are going to be number 4 for departure. 5 minutes before the cabin.